nth term of an AP. So what is nth term of the arithmetic progression? Now let us take the example 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So we have taken an arithmetic progression in this example. Now here A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 2. Means here the first term is 2 and the difference means A2 minus A1 is equal to 2, A3 minus A2 is equal to 2 and A4 minus A3 is also 2. Difference is 2. Now the first term of this AP is A1. So A1 is equal to 2. So here the first term is 2. We have written the first term which is equal to A. Now the second term is A2. The second term is A2. A2 is 4. Now we can write 4 as 2 plus 2. We can write 4 as 2 plus 2. So what is 2? 2 is nothing but the first term. And this D, here the difference is 2. Because we have added the difference. Here 2 plus 2 is 4. The difference is 2. So 4 can be written as the first term. So let us write the first term as it is 2. And here the difference is 2. So it becomes A plus D. So therefore the second term is A2 is equal to A plus D. Now let us take the third term. Third term is A3 which is equal to 6. So here the third term of this arithmetic progression is 6. This 6 can be written as 2 plus 4. So we can write 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So 2 plus 2 into 2. So which is equal to A is nothing but 2. Here A is nothing but 2 plus, let us write this 2 as it is. Let us write this 2 as it is here. Then here 2 is nothing but the common difference. So first for this 2 we will write A. So this is A is the first term. Then plus 2 into, here 2 is nothing but this inside bracket 2 is nothing but the common difference. So A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Now let us take the fourth term. The fourth term in this arithmetic progression is 8. Fourth term is 8. So we can write fourth term is equal to 8. So which is equal to 2 plus 6. We can write 8 as 2 plus 6. So which is equal to 6 can be written as 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Then what is this 2? This 2 is nothing but the first term. This 2 is nothing but the first term. 2 is nothing but A. Plus 3 into, here 2 is nothing but the common difference D. So in generally if you observe, if A1 is there, so A plus 0D. So we can write it as A plus 0D. If anything is not there, we can write it as A plus 0D. Then if A2 is there, we got A plus D. Similarly if A3 is there, we got A plus 2D. If A4 is there, we got A plus 3D. So we can write this as, if 4 is there, it becomes 3. If 3 is there, it becomes 2. So even also we can write this as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So we can write it as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. 2 can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Similarly, here this 3D can be written as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. We can write 3 as 4 minus 1 into D. 4 minus 1 into D. Similarly, the above two terms can also be written as, here 2 is there, here 1D is there. So this can be written as, so we can write this as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Here it is A plus 2 minus 1 into D. This is 2 minus 1 into D. 2 minus 1 into D. Similarly, here only A plus D is there. So this term can be written as, here we can write it as A plus 1 minus 1 into D. So we can write 1 minus 1 into D. So a1 is equal to 2, so 2 is the first term, so we can write 0d, so which is equal to 1 minus 1 is also 0, 0d. Then a2 is equal to a plus 1d, so 1d can be written as a plus 2 minus 1 into d. a3 is equal to a plus 2d, therefore a plus 2d can be written as a plus 3 minus 1 into d. If a4 is there, we can write it as a plus 4 minus 1 into d, because we got the answer a plus 3d. Similarly, if you write like this, suppose in the place of 1 to 3, if n is there, what we can write? So here if it is 4, we can write a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Here 3 is there, we can write a plus 3 minus 1 into d. If 2 is there, we can write 2 minus 1 into d. Similarly, if n is there, we can write a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d. This a plus n minus 1 into d, this is called the nth term of an AP. This is called the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So what is nth term of an arithmetic progression? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So finally we can conclude that the nth term of the arithmetic progression is, if the first term is a and the common difference is d, so we can write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this formula is called nth term of an arithmetic progression, or the general term of an arithmetic progression. So this formula is called the general term of an arithmetic progression.